Hello, changemakers. In my opinion, this is the best way to safeguard yourself and your family against something like a pandemic, a bad economy, losing your job, and so forth. So this video is obviously going to be more about the financial side and, I don't know, the ultimate protection and security for yourself, your family, so that you don't get gobbled up by a bad economy or a pandemic. So when I first started, I didn't have a job or an income. I didn't have unemployment. I didn't have anything. But I was very eager to learn something new about residual money, and that was the key ingredient, residual money. Most of the country doesn't have any of it, and most of the country is doing nothing to get it. So most of the country, when something bad happens, like a health pandemic, a bad economy, their job is gone, I don't know, you name it, they feel it a lot. Sometimes it renders a lot of people homeless. Unfortunately, we have an enormous homeless population, and that's getting worse right now, worsened by the overall pandemic. And even before this pandemic hit, homelessness was on the rise, and the average person could not afford a single $400 emergency, which is an indictment against this whole system and this broken government. But that's another point for another day. So this video is more about the control that you can take to safeguard yourself, to protect yourself, and if you want to go further, to accomplish a dream, if you want to just outright get ahead and be really well off, whatever you want to do, but at least safeguard yourself and protect yourself and your family, and that's with residual income. So if you go to the units area of our Changemakers group, go through the presentation of the business side of the residual money and see if it speaks to you. See if you see an opportunity for yourself. Now, I'm paying down 2 mortgages, just to give you an example. The year is 2020. It's November 8th right now at the time I'm recording this video. This Monday, I'm going to the bank to wire over my second mortgage satisfaction of the year. And these 2 mortgages that I'm satisfying on these 2 different rental properties, I financed the largest amount possible. So these were huge mortgages for these respective properties, and I'm paying them both off completely the same year during a pandemic. I still don't need a job, and I can still travel, and I can still pretty much do whatever I want to do, which is a wonderful, beautiful thing, and the complete opposite scenario before I got into this business, when I didn't have anything when I got into this business. So I cannot guarantee that you're going to do anything with it. It's something where it's an experience of ownership, so you have to put the guarantee into yourself. It's not the company, it's not me, it's not anything, except you got to be able to look in the mirror and say, I'm going to bet on you. And that is the essence of ownership, which is what something like this is. Now, a guarantee that I can give you is definitely a guarantee that the opportunity for you is there if you put the guarantee into yourself. And I can also guarantee you personally, I'll always be there to back you up, to support you, provided that you're showing up. There's a limitation there, but provided that you're showing up and you want to do this, of course I'm always going to be there. I'm going to have your back. I'll help point you in the right direction, answer questions, and if I can't answer a question, I might be able to point you in a direction or get an answer for you, or we just might have to figure out something together. Who knows? Because I'm still in it for the learning experience too. I don't know everything, but I have learned a lot, and of course I'm willing to help you. So go to the units area, and if you're watching this from somewhere else and you don't know what the hell I'm talking about, Changemakers, units area, just private message me and I'll tell you about it, and you can see if you want to be part of the Changemakers community. It's free. I don't charge anything for that, of course. And all the info is there on the actual business, as well as the actual product of health, natural fitness, and that's what I do. I help people live natural, healthy, chemical-free lives and make better money, residual money, so that you can safeguard your family or accomplish a dream, or both. I guess that has a lot of overlap there. That's all I wanted to say. Just put the guarantee into yourself and leverage all that is available for you to make that guarantee come to fruition, okay? Bye for now. Mwah.